1600 watt home theater upgrade? Technical Pro Bluetooth sound system review. Ceiling speakers insane. Sick of your living room sounding like a broken radio? Tired of your home theater making movies feel flat, music sound cheap, and karaoke nights straight up painful? You're not alone.
So many of us pour cash into overpriced soundbars or patchwork speaker setups, yet still feel like we're missing that cinema magic. You're left frustrated, stuck in an endless loop of disappointment, battling weak bass, crackly mids, and speakers that promise the world but deliver mediocrity.
Sound familiar?
If your home audio feels more budget motel than Hollywood blockbuster, you've hit that wall
hard. Now imagine that frustration growing. You host friends, and your music? Embarrassing. Your movie nights? Meh. Another karaoke fail? Ouch. Missed bass drops, tinny vocals, no surround immersion, it's draining.
Your home deserves a vibe upgrade, but every fix feels like throwing good money after bad. The pressure mounts, your wallet aches, and your entertainment space stays sad.
Until now. What if your ceiling could sing? What if your walls could drop bass? What if effortless, cinematic audio wasn't a fantasy? Hold tight, because your sound revolution is knocking.
Introducing the Technical Pro Home Theater System Kit, a true game changer that'll shatter everything you know about home audio.
1600 watts of peak power.
8 6.5-inch flush mount speakers designed to blend seamlessly into your ceiling or walls.
A 4-channel Bluetooth receiver that pairs with your phone like it's 2025. No clunky speakers eating your space. No messy wires in sight.
Just clean, professional-grade audio that surrounds you. Feel every drum kick, hear every whisper, live every movie.
This isn't just louder, it's clearer, deeper, smoother. It's not hype, it's Technical Pro.
Beyond the mind-blowing wattage and retrofitted home concert vibes, this system makes life easy.
Pair your phone via Bluetooth in seconds. Control the EQ and volume from an intuitive, LED-lit panel.
Whether you're bumping EDM, vibing to jazz, or binge-watching your favorite Netflix series, this setup delivers buttery mids and crisp highs effortlessly.
Plus, the flush-mount speakers look seriously slick. Ready to impress your guests and elevate your Netflix nights? Let your ceiling do the talking. Tap the link, dive into the details, and picture the possibilities. Why settle for weak audio when cinematic sound is this close?
Don't overthink it, inventory moves fast, and upgrades this massive don't wait around. Thousands of homeowners have already turned their spaces into private concert halls.
Join them. Click buy now to secure your Technical Pro home theater system. Supplies are limited. Don't let your walls stay silent. Make them sing. Turn your house into the ultimate audio sanctuary today.